and sit down.
Mr. Kevin's class. Anyway, I bought this beautiful action camera. It's an Eken H9R. It looks okay, and the packaging was impressive, first looking at it. I've already opened it, but I made it look nice for you. And your picture, you have a super wide angle lens, and it's waterproof up to 30 meters, so I've never been, I don't think, 30 meters underwater, so who's gonna test it? I don't know. It comes with lots of little doodads, accessories. This one, of course, would go on your bicycle helmet or something, or if you're gonna use this in your car, just place it down there, use it in your car, and of course it would just clip in. Nice little clipper thing here. Voila, just clicks in. Anyway, like I said, the highlight for me is this lovely remote control, because my plan, I saw a troop of monkeys not long ago when I was in Masjid Tana, that's in Malacca, and what happened was the monkey came up, I saw his face, I went to take a picture of him, and he ran away. And if I was a little more cool, I just use my James Bond thing here and just click, click, and turn it on. So to turn on the camera, you just press this button once in the front, hold it till it comes on. And now you can see it's got a 2-inch screen on the back. And it looks pretty good. Here, I'll film you while you're looking at me. I'm going to use this to film me. It's filming. Is it filming good? I don't know. Smile, Kevin. Okay, now I'll show you some video later when I'm walking down the street. Okay, so that's the H9R Eken. It's not bad. It does the job. Cannot complain at all. I think it's good value for the money. So let me know what you think. Like I said, I paid 150 ringgit for it, but I wanted a warranty. And I also had one of these, so I didn't need a tripod. You can get it with a tripod, of course. But I think overall, it's good value for the money. It works. It does the job. You'll see from the little videos I just took. Anyway, if you like this video, please hit subscribe. Hit like. If you hit dislike if you hated it. I hated making it. I still want to do my video on Masjid Tana because that's interesting. That's in Malacca. It's a lovely place. And now it's on video. Now it's on video. Smile. Don't drop it though. Well, you gotta see what it is. That's why I took a little picture on the back so you can see what it is. Okay, so hit like, subscribe, and please leave a comment. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.